You have probably seen videos with these thumbnails showing the funny image, and once you click on them, it is just memes from TikTok or Instagram. And then after you saw how much views and subscribers they have, you thought that it is pretty easy to make the same videos and become rich as Elon Musk. And it's actually easy to do such videos. But in this video, I will show you how you can make them just by clicking one button. First, we need to find the source of our memes. For this, you can use any platform like Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram. For this, I chose Instagram memes pages. Then I collected the names of pages and put them into a string array. Now we need to find a way of downloading the latest reels from pages. First, I wanted to use Selenium, but I didn't like the fact that I would need to log into my account every time I wanted to create a video. So I found this API and copied and pasted the example code into my code. And then by writing some additional code which loops through each of the videos and downloads them, I used Fmpeg to merge the videos into the output. The only thing that is left to do is to upload it to YouTube. Check the video by following the link in comments. Also check out another video on my channel. See you soon!